Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer BNB from Binance exchange to Web3 wallet. So here's a simple workaround for that. So for you to be able to transfer your BNB, you have to open your Binance app and log in into your account, then tap wallet at the bottom, then select the spot wallet and search for BNB. Tap withdraw. Then in the recipient address, paste your Web3 wallet address, which is the BNB address found inside your Web3 wallet under receive. Then select the BNB smart chain, which is the BIP20 network. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, tap withdraw and confirm the transaction. Complete the security verification, which can be in a form of SMS or email sent to your email verification. Then after that, you have to wait for transaction to finish and your BNB will show up in your Web3 wallet. And here's a quick important note: always double check the wallet address network before sending to avoid any loss of fund. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.